Hello and welcome. Today I have yet another Dante Giacosa masterpiece. It's not this cover, believe it or not, it's underneath. Let's get to it. Sure, didn't go to plan, did it? Still not going to plan. Really, oh my god. This is... Oh! Bumper's fallen off. This is a Fiat Multipla, not the horrendous thing that you're thinking of between the late 90s and 2000s. This is the original Fiat Multipla, designed by Dante Giacosa. They were produced between 1956 and 1969, and they made around 129,000 units. This is a very, very rare right-hand drive model, one of three, I'm led to believe, left and ever registered in the UK. It's going to be fully restored, and it's actually being taken tomorrow morning by Stuart, who is doing the full restoration, and it's daunting to say the least. It looks okay. Someone has had a horrendous effort at doing it in the early 90s, and Stuart needs to rectify all of their terrible mistakes. The engine is going to be fully rebuilt alongside the gearbox, obviously full repaint, all the bodywork's going to be done. Panels will be used where available and where needed really. Anything that isn't available will need to be made, and the interior is being done by David Powell Upholstery in Hellingley. So they made three versions of it. There was a taxi, which proved very, very popular. There was this model, which is a 6-seater, and there was a 4- and 5-seater model. The difference between the 4- and 5-seater and the 6-seater were, in the front of this, there is a bench seat, and there were 2 rows of 2 in the back, all of which can fold completely flat to create this really quite large space. And the 4/5-seater had bench seats which folded completely flat into a bed. 2 engines were created for this. There was a 633cc water-cooled unit, and this one, which is a 600D when they changed in 1960 to a 767cc water-cooled unit. Both of them are straight 4s. They're just a genius vehicle. To fit 6 people in something that is just over 11 foot 6 long is just ridiculous. But it's going to be an exciting project, one which I expect will take months, and when it is done, you'll see it all. See? Absolutely phenomenal. If you'd like to keep up to date with the restoration of this, please click the subscribe button and the notification button. I've also got videos coming on a W202 C43, the very first V8 AMG. That's being fully resprayed in the middle of March, so that'll be coming after that. I've also got a 916 Alfa Romeo GTV V6, which, if it hasn't already sold, I'll try and film that as well, because that is a really lovely car and a fast appreciating modern classic. So yeah, if you like this video, please click the like button. I'd also like to hear what your thoughts are on it. Do you love it or do you hate it? I absolutely think it's incredible. I think design-wise, it's just genius, absolute genius. But Dante Giacosa was a genius. Fiat 500, the 500 Giardiniera, which I've already featured, that went really well. If you haven't seen that video, link will be at the top of your screen now. Well worth the watch. But yeah, hope to see you soon. Thanks.